When this man wakes up in the morning, the first thing he does is probe the desert sand with his sword. Then, with his feet, he feels the ground once again. Suddenly, the sand in front of him begins to sink. Seeing this, he becomes so excited that he immediately calls out to his companions. This, in fact, is the oldest method of finding a well in the desert. For the past 3 days, not a single drop of water had touched their lips. They had pinned all their hopes of survival on this well, but as soon as the lid of the well was removed, everyone was stunned. There wasn't even a single drop of water inside. Seeing the disappointed faces of his comrades, the captain, in a fit of anger, picked up a brick and threw it into the well. But the faint sound that came from below only deepened their despair. Stranded in the Sahara desert, these soldiers now had no water, and death was waiting for them. But the captain refused to give up. He ordered Jack to go down into the well and take a closer look. There was nothing but yellow sand below, but just as Jack was about to climb back up, he felt some dampness on the wall of the well. As he touched the wall carefully, he saw a droplet of water slowly trickling from one corner. Jack shouted in joy and asked his comrades to bring a container. They quickly took out a metal box they had with them. Jack carefully collected every single drop and poured it into the box. Though the amount of water was very little, it was tied to the lives of all 9 members of the team. The captain immediately called for more containers. After hours of effort, they finally managed to fill 2 lunchboxes with water. Now, Jack told his companions they had to be extremely cautious. Though everyone's thirst had reached its peak, the captain firmly set a rule. Each person could only drink 3 sips. These soldiers, parched for 3 days, now looked like grass soaked in rain. The water was limited, but for these soldiers, it had become the hope to live.